Hey everybody, it's Steve Peralta with 1-800-ORCHIDS, and today's video is titled, What is an Orchid Anyway? Many people wonder what actually makes an orchid unique, and I hope to explain that to you in this video. You can see here in front of you is a white Phalaenopsis orchid. There are actually 5 characteristics which make an orchid unique from other flowering plants. Number 1 is all orchids have 3 sepals, and these are the sepals here, 1, 2, and 3. They actually form the outer portion of the flower bud, and when they open, it becomes the sepals of the orchid flower, and there are actually 3 sepals for every orchid flower. Every orchid flower has 3 sepals and 2 petals. Number 2, orchids are bilaterally symmetrical. That's also known as zygomorphic. The flowers can be divided in half in one way, resulting in mirror images. For example, if you divide the flower any other way, they will not be mirror images. So if you divide the flower in half this way, you get a mirror image of the other side of the flower. Number 3, one petal of the flower is always highly modified. You can tell by the center labellum here. One petal doesn't look like any of the others. This one is typically referred to as the lip. Number 4, the flowers, stamens, and carpels are always fused. That's a very interesting characteristic. Stamens and carpels are the male and female parts of flowers. 5, the seeds of orchids are very tiny. Some people actually say that the seeds don't carry any energy within themselves, and they float in the air and attach themselves to trees. This is why orchid breeders go through so much trouble trying to propagate orchids in the laboratory, because of the size of the seed is so tiny. So that is it, and that is what actually makes an orchid flower unique from other flowering plants. Thank you.